Good morning. Richard Friesen here. I'm coming to you from our brand new virtual podcasting studio. And my good friend and interior designer, Denise Simons, is joining me. And we're going to be talking today about lighting and specifically design and how it's a great combination and how things work together. So with that, here's Denise. I'll let her kind of launch into a couple of things, and we'll just have a conversation about lighting.
Well, Richard, as you know, you and I have done some great projects together between Absolute AV and Denise Simons Interiors and Lifestyle with Denise Simons, even televising many of our projects. We've done some great things together. I depend on you for, that technical service because I know what I want it to do, but I just need help doing it. So as we know now, people want their homes to do something. I mean, it used to be that we just live in our homes, but now we ask, well, what can it do?
That's correct. And it's all about the experience that you get at home. And lighting is a big part of that. It can set a mood. It can give you task lighting if you're working at home, or now as we are constantly in Zoom meetings, it does that, as well as, even a virtual party. Right now, that's a great thing. And if it's appropriate while you're working, you can even, change the mood via lighting. So it's a pretty amazing thing.
You talk about experiences, and I have done a couple of online experiences. People want to have an experience. They don't want to go and just watch now. They actually want to participate. And now that we're spending so much time at home, we want our homes to be an experience. And how do you create that experience? Well, first of all, interior design, of course, but there's layers to that. And then when you go the extra steps, even in the beginning, if you're remodeling or retrofitting, if you go the extra steps to put in the layers, then you know that you will be able to have an experience. And like you were saying, Richard, about when you walk in the door, and that's what I love about some of the products that you have, is that when you walk in the door, you want to be able to tap. If you have groceries in your hands, you want to be able to tap a cleaning mode, something that's very bright, and be able to use that if you're reading a recipe, or if, like right now, I'm doing this Zoom meeting with you, you want to be able to see. You want the light to be very bright. But I will tell you that one of my favorites is being able to have the layers of colored lights for the party mode. Now, whether you want it to be a party, or if you just want to set a mood for dinner, having those lights and having the ability to customize those lights, it's been great fun to work with you to do that, because my clients are excited to know that we have customized a color. We chose a color out of a pillow or out of a comforter or out of the window treatments, and we brought that color into their home. So now you have this continuity. So if we want a color of sunset, like you're seeing this piece of art in the background, this room was customized to have the three colors that are predominantly here behind me. And that is sunset, which was an orange, but it wasn't just an orange, a basic orange. We worked back and forth to get the perfect shade. And we also brought in the turquoise, which reminds me of the beach, and we can name it as well. And even on the iPad or however on your phone, whatever device that you set up, we have options. And I tell you, that is the fun. That's when you get a real experience, is when you can pop on the party mode and it turns to what I would call sparkle, which is pink, or you're in a beachy mode and you turn on that turquoise. You have entered a new feeling in the room. You know, you feel like you just went to a really cool spa or a club. And to me, that is the experience.
Absolutely. And that's our role. And it's really a team effort because great interior design takes a great interior designer for one, but it also takes a lot of other things. And we've discovered through the years that lighting can make or break that great design. So I thank you so much for stopping in virtually today. I really appreciate it as always.
Thank you, Richard. You know, I always enjoy talking with you and definitely sharing with everybody that's watching that there are so many possibilities. And, you know, gone are the days of old, boring lighting. Now we just have so many great options and to take advantage of those. So thank you, Richard.
Yes, as always, it's a pleasure. And that's a wrap on today's Tech Talk. Thank you.